Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. This is part 2 of our mincemeat cake that we're going to test for you now, and we're going to give you our honest opinions of what it's like. I'm here with BiggaYouth and my other brother Bubbles. So make sure you like, share and subscribe, and we're going to give you our honest opinion of what this cake is like. Right, so we're going to get BiggaYouth to cut the cake.
Right, I'm going to cut the cake, yeah. It's called mincemeat, but that's what's on the jar, but it's minced fruits in the jar. So my brother's made a cake, and we're going to try it and see what it tastes like. See? Alright.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just cut through the paper. Right, so now I'm going to cut the cake and see what the texture's like, and see how moist it is and smell it. Yes, once I cut it I will be able to smell it and see what I go on. See? So here we go. It cuts very nicely.
Very nicely.
Right?
Nice and
It
soft.
feels nice and soft.
Nice and soft.
Right, so if I cut one,
you can smell the brandy.
if I cut one piece and I cut the other piece smaller, so my piece is a bit bigger. So Stephen and Dollars can have the local piece. Yes. And right, one.
That's all right.
Two. And my piece is the big piece, as you can see. Three.
So why did you put the big piece around my side? So
Right.
I can get the big piece.
So that's what the texture looks like. If you can see.
You can see all the alcohol what's soaked down into it.
Right. So I can still cut them in half because they're very chunky. Okay, so now
right, we can still see the little white bits, which we don't know what that is in the mincemeat. If it's suet or something else.
yeah, it might be the suet what's in there. You can see little bits of white because obviously the mincemeat in a jar, it's got the white suet in there, so that's what it might be. Okay, so now we're gonna try it.
Okay.
It's very, very moist, very moist. Mmm.
Taste is a bit like gingery a bit, isn't it? Like,
I need to finish this
it's not,
before I can make my opinion.
it's not overly sweet or anything.
It's not too sweet. Very, very moist. And the texture. I can feel the texture in my mouth. It's like it just melts in my mouth.
Yeah, because it's nice and soft.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I can't feel any lumps in there at all. I was expecting lumps, but I can't feel any at all.
And it's not too dry. I can taste the alcohol, what brings out the taste. It's very, very nice. Ain't even gonna lie. You know what I mean? I make cake, but I might have to start using the mincemeat. Yeah, when I get them in the shops when they go down to 10p. Yeah, that's the honest truth. Does it taste alright?
But I think maybe it needed 2 jars instead of 1, because I put one jar in there. But I think maybe it needed 2.
I can actually taste the power
Nice.
of the alcohol. I can actually feel it. Like it's like I've taken a sip of an alcohol drink. But I can actually taste that in the cake. Not as strong, but I can actually feel it in my throat.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's nice, man. Very nice.
So
I think he could have put 2 jars in there because it's not overly fruity, but the cake is very, very moist.
I'm not
But I
sure.
don't think you can taste the white things if it's suet or not.
No, you can't taste it.
So,
We can't taste that, no.
But I only saw it in that bit there, but I can't see it in none of this bit here. See? I can't see none of the Oh. I can't see none of the white bit in here. It was only the bit what I cut.
It's not much. The white bit is not really that much.
No, not really.
It's just a bit here and there, but it doesn't really matter. But it's just the taste, the texture, the strength of the alcohol.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's a good combination, basically.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
I think it could go on the Christmas cake.
Or Christmas list.
Yeah.
Oh, the Christmas list. As you can use it, yeah, you can use the jar, the mincemeat, as to using fruit. You'll get away with it. It'll be nice with it.
But I think before you can actually put it on the list, I think you need to try it with 2 jars.
2 jars. That's what I was gonna say.
Two or three jars in one.
No, let's not do the 3. Let's just jump from 1 to 2 and try it that way with the 2. Because I can actually feel the power right now. I feel like I don't even need any drinks.
Bubbles, what you're tasting? What you're tasting is bubbles. What you're tasting is the alcohol, bro.
The champagne is fine. With
you know what I mean?
The champagne is fine with it, but
yeah, wicked and wild and well versatile.
I don't think I would want to drink any alcohol with this.
No, you don't need it, more. You can taste the alcohol in there.
Oh yeah.
And that's what brings it out. The alcohol.
Yeah.
We say put in there brandy
and port.
And rum. You put rum in there?
No, just brandy and
It's very strong.
So I think
very strong.
I think that is the best thing for it, because I think if I'd have used the rum, it would have been a bit more overpowering.
It would be overpowering.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Overpowering.
I can see how much of this I'm gonna be taking home.
I can still try it. Try it with the rum.
Yeah, on another time.
Yeah, you can put a rum in there because it helps preserve the cake as well.
And see. Well, the brandy was preserve it, but
but the rum will give it a nice kick.
The rum is going to give it maybe over the top taste.
No, the rum is going to give it a wicked taste. Yeah, because remember it's Christmas cake and you need rum and brandy and port in the cake, so it's going to taste even more wicked. See?
I'm thinking that. I mean, as it is right now.
Yeah.
I can actually deal with this right now.
Yeah.
I don't think I need any cream or any custard or anything to go with it.
No, you don't, because it's nice and moist.
It's just a cake and a champagne and I'm good.
Yeah, it's
honestly. Nice. So for this one here, I would still give it like a 10 out of 10 because I like. I mean, from here, all you can do is go up and add the things and what you think will make it more special or make it more better. You know what I mean? Yeah,
I think my vote is a 10 out of 10 as well. I think it just needs tweaking with another jar, and to just distribute more of the fruits through it.
What do you think, then? Do you think the 2 jars would do it? Like, I think the 2 jars would make it.
I think 2 more jars and rum, and then I will give it 10 out of 10. You don't need a lot of rum in there, just a little kick of rum, boom.
Yeah,
and then I'll give it 10 out of 10.
But when you're soaking the cake now, you're going to be soaking it with the port and the rum, so it's going to be really strong.
Yeah, but still, when you're soaking the cake,
strong.
I didn't say a lot of rum. I said just a little bit of rum will give it a nice finish off.
Then it's going to be.
That's my opinion.
That's going to be more port then.
No. All you have to do is just give it a little bit more rum, and you're good to go. Yeah, that's it, Steve.
Do you want some more?
Yeah.
No, I'm alright.
So 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. My one's about 8 out of 10. When the rum go in it, I'll give it 10 out of 10. That's my opinion. Alright? Okay. But it's nice. It's nice and moist. I need to cut my piece now to take home.
Yeah, so I think it's been a success, this one.
Yeah, it's nice.
Because me and my brother, we're both bakers and we do Christmas cakes to order and everything. And I think this could actually go on the list. Even if you get the fruits after Christmas, I'm wondering if we could get the fruits and then soak it for the following year. After Christmas, in the shops you see the jars go down like to 10, 20 pence. So if you can get them and then soak them in the rum and port and leave it for a year, if that's maybe then you won't need to soak it so much.
Yeah, because it's moist already.
Yeah.
In the jar, so yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
That would be nice.
Yeah. So
So
it's so nice. I'm just gonna have my other piece. Thank you.
Yeah, but that's my piece, Steve.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, because I've touched it, it's mine now. Okay. Thank
All
you.
right, go on. Go on, Steve. Go on.
right, so it's got two 10 out of 10 volts and an 8 out of 10 volts, and it's something that we're gonna definitely be looking at, and we're gonna tweak it again, and hopefully next year it will be much better with when we try it with 2 jars, and we're gonna try it with the rum and see what it's like.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That'd be nice. See you?
So, well, thanks for watching this part 2, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I want to thank my 2 brothers, BiggaYouth 2 and Bubbles, for being with me and for doing this test for you, and we hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and remember to share, like, and subscribe, and pass it to your friends and your family. Yeah? So we can make the next one with the 2 jars.
Peace out.
Peace and love. See you?
Right.
Alright.
Thank you.
Come again.